Question?
Hi, can you stress more about the exit strategy?
The exit strategy. Yeah, of course. Are you talking about stop losses or take profit?
No, take profit. Yeah.
Take profit.
Yes.
Right. In general, what I do is I have, depending on the type of strategy I have different exits. So if I want to be trend following, I'll be having a more loose stop. If I want to be doing short-term trading, which most of what I do, then I take profits quickly. Now, how do you take profits quickly? I have two techniques. One is a bit fixed and one is a bit volatile. Let me go back and find the trade. So I can show it on a chart. So the thing is, one is for volatility. All right, so let's suppose we get this trade. Once I'm in this position, so this is how it works. These are basically alerts, which I have a 2-day filter, a 2-bar filter for me to get in. And it go in if I take out this bar's highs. So in theory, I go in this bar. Now, so how do I get out? I have two exits. One is a fixed average true range exit, which means I see how much is the volatility of the past 5 bars. So I want to be seeing how much does it swing, 10 points, 5 points, multiplied by 2, and have it as a target. So that's my one order. The second order is I want to go from Larry Williams, the third profitable close. Because the thing is, okay, you have your exit, you have your target, but what happens if the market goes in between your entry and your target? Shall you not take the profits? Because your target is not a guarantee, because the market doesn't have to go to a target just because I set it there. So I have something a bit more volatile, more flexible, sorry. I do at the third profitable close. So once the market goes out, takes this one out, I have, what's the first close that is above my entry? That's what I mean profitable. 1, 2, 3, that's amount. Whichever it gets to first.